whatever we type out as a message is actually saved out by default. But if you want to protect your privacy and not save the message for some reason, then you can simply disable the conversation history. So the message only appears for a certain time and gets deleted as time passes by. So to do that and to demonstrate that, I'm going to go around and create a new group. So I'm just going to go around right here and I'm going to go around, create a new group just like this. And then there you go. So there is a group right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and then type in something like hi, hello there, just like this. So what happens is that all of this is actually saved out. It won't be deleted and the other members will be able to access this whenever they want. If you don't want to enable that, you simply go to settings right here. And once you go to settings, you can see that over here, there's an option called conversation history. So you can simply disable this out, and what happens is that the conversation history will be deleted. That is, it won't be recorded as you press OK. So now you see that it says you turn history off just like this. So if I were to say hi right over here and hello, they will be able to see the message right then and there. But after some time, by an hour or two, the message will be completely deleted. And if they are not online, however, they won't be able to see the message, which is a bit of a disadvantage. So this is very good if you want to protect your privacy, you want to have a conversation and then let the message be deleted later on. But if you are leaving an offline message, then you might want to turn on the conversation history just like that. So you can turn this back on, press OK, and here you can see that it says you turn history on just like that and say hi. So this message will remain, this will remain, but this will be deleted as time passes by. And that is how you can enable or disable conversation history inside of Google Hangouts. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.